Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm Sarah, and with me, as always, is my co-host John. What's up, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing great, thanks. Super pumped for today's episode because we're talking about something that affects pretty much all of us, car body repairs.
Right? I mean, who hasn't dealt with a dent or scratch at least once? And today, we're shining the spotlight on a place called Autoline in Bacup, which sounds like it's doing some amazing work.
Absolutely. Autoline offers a whole range of body repair services. We're talking collision repairs, scratch and dent removals, panel replacements, you name it. Exactly. And speaking of safety, they also provide MOT services and regular maintenance, so you can get your car checked and repaired all in one go. Talk about convenience.
Oh, and let's not forget about insurance claims. Autoline helps you navigate that whole process, from filing a claim to communicating with your insurance company. So less stress for us.
Definitely. And here's something that stood out to me. They're committed to being eco-friendly, using water-based paints and recycling materials. We love to see it.
Right? It's like they care about our cars and the planet. And their focus on customer satisfaction is top-notch. They really listen to feedback, making sure every experience is a good one.
It's all about creating that relationship with customers, isn't it? They want to make sure you feel valued. And honestly, that's where a lot of businesses miss the mark.
So true. If you're in Bacup and need car repairs, Autoline sounds like a solid choice. Remember, folks, keeping an eye on customer reviews is key.
Absolutely. So if you're thinking about getting some work done, check out their website, give them a call, and see how they can help you out.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Catch you next time, and keep those cars shiny.